advisors so that everyone within the whole HR function would know and could attend. I mean, there's no secrets, so there's no confidential information shared in those meetings. It's more, you know, updates, recognition, and team.
Thought-provoking. This course made me look deeper inside myself than almost any other courses I've ever done, and consequently I come away understanding myself a little better and hopefully will take that into being a better leader.
Inspiring. I have had a few management trainings before and I was a bit worried coming in that it was going to be the same thing, but we captured a lot more about the purpose, and that was so inspiring, and yeah, things I'll bring back to the team.
In a few words, grateful and privileged. No, I really, without the jokes, I feel very privileged to have been part of this group, because you don't get the chance to meet that many people from the company, from different departments, different regions, different functions, and it's been a true inspiration, and yeah, very thankful to be part of that.
Okay, it's been a very unexpected, interesting journey and an interesting crowd as well.
Curiosity, it really helped me to further get to know me better and how I am as a leader.
Very energized. I think it was great to have the opportunity to bring the Criteo strategies to life and see how we as leaders can actually bring it to our teams and to our regions. So definitely very energized and excited. Thank you.